Man, let me show you guys what I did. As you see from that thumbnail, I traded a very OG clean car. I mean, the car was clean top to bottom. The interior was immaculate. Top dash had no cracks in it whatsoever. And I traded it away just like that. I literally drove from Yuma, Arizona to Salem, Oregon to pick the car up. A 20-hour drive. I rented a U-Haul auto transport and I hauled tail up there. I didn't even sleep at night. Grabbed that Caprice. So what did I trade it for? I'm gonna show you guys that here in just 1 second. But let me tell you a story because I need to give you guys reason why I traded an OG car. Because the car I traded for is incomplete. It's a roller. You know what a roller is? Lacey, you can tell them what a roller is. It means there's no engine and tranny. I had to push the thing on the auto transport. It took 3 people. We pushed it on there. And right now I don't even have 3 people to get it off the auto transport, but we'll deal with that later. Follow me, I'm gonna show you what I traded it for. Now the car was original 1983 Caprice 4-door classic, fully loaded for the time. It was a beautiful car, but it wasn't my heart. You know what I'm saying? I really wanted a 2-door and that's what I got. Okay, let me go ahead and tell you the story of this car. I'm gonna document this whole journey for me putting this whole car together. It's all in pieces, I'm gonna show you all the trim and everything. Everything's in pieces. The gas tank's in the back of my truck. Look at the gas tank. Those are the front and rear bumpers. They've been painted, everything. You guys wanna check this whole build out? I'm gonna build it from scratch. I don't even have really much of a build knowledge, okay? I've never built a car like this before in pieces. I've replaced a couple of motors using YouTube where I just pulled the motor out, put a new motor in. I've done that before. Hence, I live in a 5th wheel, okay? I don't even have a garage. Good thing where I'm at is sunny and it don't rain, so I need to get this thing done. All right, so let me go ahead and tell you a breakdown of the car. This is the 1987 Chevrolet Caprice Landau. Yes, it was a true Landau. You see the rivet down the side. It had the top, all right? Sunroof installed. The car has been fully painted orange. I actually have the original photo of the car before it was painted. Lazy, you can throw a photo in there. Thank you, Lazy. Check out the suspension. You can check out the tubular A-arms, upper control arms. I think they're QA1, that's what he told me. You can see the shocks. So I was told this is QA1 suspension. The car has been totally off the frame, full frame paint. Look at all the parts. I got wheel well trim, rug mats. Here, all these probably Landau trim, bumper fillers have been painted. I don't know if that's rear, front bumper fillers in mint shape. The door panel stuff. I got all the trim, dash pad, which has got cracks. 87 Landau. Oh, wow, that's nice. Ooh, that's the Caprice emblem in Landau with new glass. Door panel trim. All right, so you got that going. He said the rear end was replaced, but I don't know, that's looking factory. I don't know what you guys think. He said 411, maybe the gearing or something. Okay, so you see the frame has all been painted. And then wheel wells. Oh, that's part of the Dakota dash. Came with a Dakota dash. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that's in the car, which is right there. It's just laying in there for right now. It's got a piece of plastic laying over the front, so it'll clean up. Full leather seats. The leather was redone. Right now they're in backwards. The left is on the right, the right's on the left. And then I got the rear seats in the back. So the front and rear seats have been done. The door panels haven't. Here's the original dash. So many miles are on here. It's real dusty. 30,000 miles. All right, I'll probably sell that dash because I'm not gonna need that dash. I'm putting the Dakota in. Got the Landau trim. The other trim is somewhere else. I got both of those hood hinges, taillight trim, all been painted. Here go the door panels. Trim pretty good shape too. That's from the original car. Now, if you look under the hood, there's no motor or transmission. So I'm gonna have to get a motor and tranny put in it on the car. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. And I traded, and I threw him a little bit of cash as well. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get this car put back together. I'm gonna start with the interior. No, I'm gonna start by cleaning the whole car. And I'm gonna get the interior put and button back up. I gotta order a carpet, there was no carpet. And then I'll get the whole interior buttoned up and put back together. And then this car.
For a few years, and then I upgraded to a 2012 convertible.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's like night and day compared, you know, the technology.
The old.
No power brakes, no power steering.
The regulators are from a Mustang convertible, so they can go up and down. Yeah, and then all the suspension is done on the car. We're gonna definitely be respectful and mindful, everybody.
Appreciate that.
Yep, thank you, man. All right. right, that was a campground host already on me. No, he was an old school guy. He said he had an old school Mustang, so he appreciates restoring cars and everything. Phew, I thought he was gonna be like, you can't do this, get this junk out of here. I really don't have experience with doing this, but it can't be that hard, really. It's just little nuts and bolts and taking the time to do one section at a time. I'm gonna start off with the interior, to start with cleaning, probably pay somebody to do the motor and tranny because I just don't have a place for that. So, as you see, they don't even want that around here. So I'm gonna have to drop this off somewhere. Who got a motor or tranny? Probably LS1, Hemi, Scat Pack, something. I need a heartbeat. She ain't got no heartbeat right now. This was my dream car. I had one in high school. I had an 87 two-door Sport a couple years in high school. Some of you guys remember me in a gray Caprice. I've had about 10 of them. This is my second dream car. My first one was a Chevelle convertible, and I'm not paying for that. Do you know the prices on these ones right now that I went in to try to buy one? You guys want to see a price reveal on this one? I'll do it on the next video. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll just give you guys updates on the progress. If you guys like this kind of video, I can make more videos of me putting everything together, show you how it goes. If I make a mistake, I'm gonna show you. I'm not the type of guy to hide all that. I might have made a mistake doing this whole deal. Well, actually, what do you guys think? You guys think I should have done a trade? I'll tell you how much I paid for it. If I get some subscribers, if you guys hit the subscribe button and a comment or something, let me know. I'll go ahead and do a price reveal. I break down all the money I paid for gas, the whole trip, everything. The car that I bought, how much I paid for it. This car, how much cash I gave them an additional to that old school. And then the money that it's gonna cost to get this all fixed up. You guys wanna see a Landau get put together? Well, go ahead and subscribe. Do me that favor and hit the subscribe button, please. I like for you guys to subscribe. This is the only reason why I'm doing the video portion. If I don't have a subscribers, there's no fan base. There's no reason to do a video. If you guys wanna see the end product, you just see the 24s, the 26s put on there. See what kind of motor I'm putting in here. I'm putting in a big old LS1. I might supercharge that baby. I might have a Hemi, big one, a big Hemi, a Hellcat Hemi, 700 some horsepower. I'll document all of it. I'll show you everything I do to get it installed. Subscribe. All right, I think that's enough right here. Yeah, let me know. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. Coffee. Every morning I'm gonna get started. I'm already here getting started. Coffee, drink.